Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to continue solving our questions from EMFT. Our, our question says the vector from the origin to point A is giving us 6 negative 2 negative 4. And the unit vector directed from the origin toward point B is 2 negative 2 1, or that over 3. If points A and B are 10 units apart, find the distance, find the coordinates of point B. Okay, so first of all, we know that the origin from the origin to A, the vector of the origin to A is 6ax minus 2ay minus 4az. And mind you, this one we weren't given the coordinates of B. We're given the unit vector of B. And how do we even find unit vector? So let's say this is our unit vector. Our unit vector is equal to the vector, so let me see vector OB all over the magnitude of B, right? So if I want to get my vector will be, I will equate that to the magnitude of B multiplying my unit vector, and I'm going to get exactly my coordinates. All right. So now I would like to, for simplicity, I would like to change my magnitude to, let's say, a certain value t. Okay, a certain value t. Okay. Then now I'll multiply it by my unit vector 2ax minus 2ay plus ax. All that over 3. So let's see all this over 3. So for my calculation, I'll just write t over 3 multiplying 2ax minus 2ay plus ax. Please, do you agree? Now I can say that my t over 3 should be equal to q, so that I will not be getting a lot of decimals in my ratio. T over 3 should be equal to q. Hence, now our equation, our vector will be equal to what? Q, setting q multiplying 2ax minus 2ay plus ax. Alright, so if resolved, so now my OB can be written as 2qax minus 2qay plus what? qax. So from here we know that our things will be easy. And they said our, let's say, a minus b or b minus a, either of them will give you the same answer. Magnitude of a minus b should be given to you as 10. Okay, so now we are going to write our magnitude of a minus b. So magnitude of a minus b should be equal to 10. Hence, magnitude of 6 minus 2q minus 2q or ax plus our negative 2 minus minus, that's going to give us plus. So negative 2 plus 2q, or that ay plus our negative 4 minus q, negative 4 minus q, or that is this magnitude should be equal to 10. And I say, if I say magnitude, it's just the square root of this equal the 10. So let me see, I'll remove my square root. Okay, let me see, it's going to be like this. Easy. Well, if I want to find the square roots, I can remove the coordinates. Remove the coordinates. This coordinate. This coordinate. Make it simpler. Now say square, 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 and that should be equal to 10. Okay. Now I can also remove my square root and come and bring and put it here so that I get a certain 6 minus 2q. As we do it, let's just expand it so that things do not become long for us. So now I'm going to expand this whole thing. So I'll get 36 minus 24q plus 4q squared. That's plus a certain 4 minus 8q plus 4q squared plus a certain 16 plus 8q plus q squared. And that should be equal to 10 squared. That is going to give us 100. So after computing this whole thing, we'll end up getting a quadratic in the form 9t squared minus 24t, 24t minus 44, which is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Hence, we can continue our calculation. And when we find this quadratic, we are going to get so we'll end up getting a certain q, 9q squared, 9q squared minus 24q. And we'll end up getting our q to be equal to 3.915 or q to be negative 1.249. And in actual metric systems, we know that our distance can never be negative. Hence, our Q will end up being what? Positive 3.915. That will be our Q for our metric or our distance. Hence, we can now find our coordinates of B. So vector OB should be equal to, mind you, we have Q multiplying 2ax minus 2ay plus is, so if I expand, I know my 3.915 multiplying 2ax minus 2ay plus is going to give me a certain 7.83ax approximately minus 7.83ay plus 3.915 is approximately. Thank you for the time.